Hello and welcome to Capital Expansion Insights. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of your financial health, credit scores and how you can improve them. A credit score is a three-digit number that reflects your creditworthiness. It ranges from 300 to 850, indicating how reliable you are at borrowing and repaying money. A higher score can open doors to better interest rates, higher credit limits, and improved financial opportunities. Your credit score is more than just a number, it's your financial passport. It determines your ability to secure loans, affects your interest rates, and can even influence job opportunities and rental agreements. In short, a good credit score is essential for achieving financial freedom. Several key factors determine your credit score. Payment history, which makes up 35%. Paying your bills on time is critical. Credit utilization, which accounts for 30%. Keep your balances low compared to your credit limits. Length of credit history at 15%. A longer credit history generally improves your score. Types of credit comprising 10%. A mix of credit types like credit cards, loans, and mortgages can boost your rating. New credit also at 10%. Opening too many new accounts in a short period can negatively impact your score. Now let's look at some actionable tips to improve your credit score. 1. Pay bills on time. Set up reminders or automatic payments to avoid late fees. 1. Reduce your balances. Aim to keep your credit utilization under 30%. 1. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Only apply for new credit when necessary. 1. Monitor your credit report. Regularly review your credit reports for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Improving your credit score takes time and discipline, but the benefits are worth it. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to Capital Expansion Insights for more financial guidance. Remember, master money, expand your future.